There's two things. People get engaged and then they get married. And I like to tell my clients, you know, even I'm not just gonna treat you good. I'm not just gonna love bomb you, so to speak, during the engagement, but I want everybody to know that when we are married, that no matter how long we're married, that I'm still giving it 150% in the industry. I want to make sure we're checking in, we're following up, we have systems in place. That's what sets us apart with our client services, with all of the other competitors in our market and nationwide. I feel like we are very big on client services. We have these systems in place. Whether you're a client for 1 month or 6 years or 10 years, I mean, we have clients that have been with us for 15 years. We're like family to them. We take them to lunch, we go to happy hour, we engage in, you know, when they're having personal issues, whether it be a family tragedy or a family celebration. We're very big on recognizing those personal events in our relationships with our clients.